Hi there, I'm Greg, and I wanted to give you 5 keys to creating a successful business website. Your web design company needs to take on different roles to give you the site that will best extend your business to the web. And many companies can only cover 1 or 2 and seriously fall flat with the others. When you hire X40C, you get all of these roles covered in one place for the price it'd usually take for just one of them. Number 1, design and aesthetics. A great looking website will attract attention and give you the impression that you're the leading business in your industry, even if you're just starting out. Poorly designed websites drive people away and make you look like an amateur, even if you have decades of experience behind you. Number 2, marketing. Attracting people to your site is only half the battle. Visitors need to become leads, then sales. Marketing professionals provide the proper layout and relevant calls to action consistently through the site. Number 3, SEO. This is short for search engine optimization, and this is making sure that your website content and its layout are search engine friendly. This way your website will come up higher in organic results. Otherwise, you could just pay for a sponsored ad to be featured prominently. Number 4, copywriting. You're going to need words or copy for each of the pages on your website. Standard packages that website companies usually offer do not include copywriting for each page on your website. It is your responsibility to provide that. And some people can do it very easily, but others, well, they struggle with it. Make sure you check your proposal to see if copywriting services are being included with your package. Number 5, programming. User experience is an extremely important factor for business sites. It needs to be coded correctly to make it function on the internet. There are many technical add-ons to make the user experience easier and more engaging. A professional programmer can ensure any special features and the site overall are working effectively.